Hey, this is Steve from Flowmaster. Today I'm going to talk to you about Flowmaster's universal exhaust tips. Flowmaster offers a wide variety of quality exhaust tips to accent your exhaust system. Our exhaust tips come in a brushed stainless steel, a polished stainless steel, a black ceramic coating, or a carbon fiber, and all feature an embossed or laser etched Flowmaster logo. These great looking exhaust tips feature a variety of shapes and styles to complement your vehicle's look and are made with a single wall stainless steel construction. Or if you have a clearance issue near your exit location where heat may be an issue, you should consider a double wall stainless steel construction to reduce the excess heat and help maintain a long lasting appearance. They come in different diameters and lengths and are designed to be a weld on or a clamp on to fit various pipe sizes. So please check out our website for detailed measurements to ensure a proper fit. If you're looking to add some performance style to your current exhaust system, the Flowmaster exhaust tips are the way to go. And thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe to our Flowmaster YouTube channel and don't forget to follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter.